Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for unbiased product reviews. Today, we've got something truly special for you, the best pink clothespins available in the market. That's right, we're talking about the pink-colored wooden clothespins by SOONEAT. Let's dive right in. Before we delve deeper, let's set the stage. These pink wooden clothespins are not your ordinary pins. No, they're a charming addition to any occasion, especially perfect for baby showers with a girl theme or color scheme. Imagine adorning your baby's shower with these adorable pink clips. They're not just functional, they're downright delightful. Now, let's talk about what makes these clothespins stand out. Firstly, they're made of high-quality birchwood, ensuring durability and a strong grip for all your hanging needs. Whether it's banners, signs, or adorable photos of the baby-to-be, these clothespins have you covered. But wait, there's more. These versatile pins aren't just for parties. Oh no, they're a practical solution for organizing and displaying baby clothing after the festivities. No more rummaging through drawers. With these pink beauties, everything is not only organized but displayed in a stylish manner. In conclusion, if you're looking for the perfect touch to your baby shower decor or a practical solution for organizing baby clothes, look no further than these pink-colored wooden clothespins by SOONEAT. They're not just pins, they're a statement piece. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased product critiques. Until next time, happy pinning!